Swag Dog people? I'm hashtag Swag, bringing you episode 6 of Minecraft Modded. In case you're wondering what this thing is I'm doing, or what this world is, I gotta tell you a little story, guys. It's about mood walking. Actually, no, it's not. It's not about moonwalking. So, my world was contaminated a long time ago with things known as cheats and creative modes. And I gotta see something here. Okay, this is on hard difficulty. Good. Okay. Basically, I can't do survival well. And so I might have creatively spawned in like one object a while ago, and the guilt has been haunting me ever since. So I took out that world and made a new one with more mods. So this is gonna be fun, isn't it? And of course, well, not of course, I got a starting chest, because why not? What? What? Are you serious? I'm gonna be tearing up soon. I got all these items from that chest. I even got a cookbook and some boots. Penguin! Hi! What do these boots do, though? Well, they look nice. They don't give me any armor, though. What? They're not armor boots. They don't armor. What are they? Are they just for show? I'm gonna have to look that up later, guys. These boots are not cool. Okay, cookbook, the heck? As you start to wander a new world, you see different types of blocks. You know what? I'll read this off camera. But I want to do something. I have a clock set for half an hour. I'm gonna spend that time doing off-camera mining and all that, just gathering resources. And then once that half hour is done, I'll instantly go back to the recording. So in case you're just gonna be scared, because this is a new world, with, like, is that a slime house? I don't know. But anyways, I'll be back in about half an hour. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been half an hour, and I've been pretty busy, as you can already tell by my little strip mine. Okay, I got some charcoal. Pretty good, pretty good. Dude, check it out. 19 copper ore, 16 tin, magnesium, 20 iron. And I have an emerald from, like, apparently you can smash vases with swords. I got an emerald and an arrow from it. Oh, yeah, I also got these, like, crystals. Look at these things. Just boop, boop. Look at them. Look at these things. They're ginormous. Well, anyways, let me show you what I got. I got oh yeah, lag baby happening again. I tell you this every episode, but it's true. So yeah, like, look at how deep this is. Look at how deep. Like, seriously, this is ginormous. I spent half an hour on this. Of, like, constant just going up, going down, mining, like, getting food, like, smelting. I spent half an hour working on this. So you cannot complain, because I got lots of stuff done. I mean, I'm really happy with my work. It felt good. Yeah, I'm really gonna enjoy this world. Because already I got amazing things. I got so much iron, though. And I really just... I don't know what to do right now, guys. I guess we can just explore, so we can just pack up our things, just head off. Oh wait, gotta use my axe. Gotta get my furnace. Actually, I'm gonna do something quickly. I'm gonna make you into an iron furnace. Yes, an iron furnace. It's a furnace made out of iron, not stone. Look at that. Look at the gloriousness. That is the iron furnace. Oh, emerald. What? Heart? Oh yeah, because I'm guessing these are from the Legend of Zelda mod. So I'm guessing it just refills a heart whenever I'm guessing I need to lose a heart in order to use it. Freaking... See, what I like about Legend of Zelda is that it's the only excuse to break pots. And that little, like... Oh, it's a well made out of moss stone. I can't see. So that's not good. Not much to do right now. I mean, I could try to get my pillbox set up, but I don't see no sheeps around. So that's gonna be a problem. Oh, deer. I need these things. I need to kill you. For your venison. Okay, I got the critical! Ooh. Did he drop something else? No. Oh yeah, I got snow golem eggs. Actually, let me try something. I'm gonna make some armor. I'm gonna make... Wait, do I have anything? No, I'm gonna... You know... I'm going to do... this. I'm going to make the chest plate. Yes. Because that takes up the most... But I still have... I don't need... You know, I don't need the arrow. I don't need it. Yeah, I don't need that arrow. And I should probably cook this venison with my iron furnace. And what I love is how you can get, like, gold and obsidian. You can get tons of things. Now, let's cook the venison. And look at how fast it goes as well. It goes so fast. Ooh, venison steak. Don't mind if I do. Oh, look at my little chest plate on me. It looks so fancy. Actually, oh my god. Oh my god. I need to, I have to. Just gotta grab some rose. Well, poppy, as they call it. Get some rose red dye. Give me a leather tunic. Yes. Whoop. A red shirt. Look at this. It is amazing. I got a moonwalk for it. Give it a moonwalk, guys. Stand up and give my shirt a moonwalk. Yeah, I'm moonwalking with my... Where'd my furnace go? Oh, here it is. I couldn't see it because it was, you know, camouflaged. I'm gonna get it with my iron pick because I'm afraid. We found actual land that isn't snow. And I found little bunnies. Hi, little guys. Vases. Break every single vase in sight. Do I have my crafting table? Yeah. And I got 2 emeralds, so... I am going to make... Yes... an emerald sword. Look at this gloriousness. That is the emerald sword. Just appreciate my sword. And why? Do I have a venison steak up there? Okay, I'm gonna collect some more venison with my new... I one-shot these guys now. Wrecked. Oh, baby, this is gonna be fun. Hey. Wait. Ooh. Sorry, I gotta check something out. What? Is that a cheat? Seriously, you're gone? Well, you're my next runner-up. That sounds terrible, but... I'm gonna put my no, I'm gonna put my crystals up here. I'm just gonna grab some roses. Roses are red, violets are blue. My name is #swag. I love you. Dude, that was amazing. It just came off the top of my head. So yeah. Okay. I like how you have a Nest shirt. Okay, now you're my girlfriend. Good. Hi, look. Oh wait, comment down. Put it in the comment section below. What's your favorite animal? Mine is the penguin. Yeah, mine's the penguin. So I love penguins, and I found like a little dungeon. I'm not gonna explore because I am so not prepared for that dungeon. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be back in a sec. I'm here. There's no need to pan. Ah! I saw it at the last second. Kill it! What are these? Firefly plants? Nope. I don't need you. Oh, look at this open space. Fresh air. Guys. You see that tree? Ow. Seriously, red ant? Seriously? I gotta find their nest and take it out. Where's their nest? I gotta find it. Okay, I gotta take it out. Where is their nest? I can't find their nest. Where do they live? I want to destroy your house. Oh, look at these things. Clovers? Aw. Well, I can't find it, but we just need to carefully. I gotta take my sword. They're attacking! I need to kill these. I need to kill them. Leaf monsters. I gotta get out of here. This is where I got my poison sword, guys. I got my poison sword here. These guys are like the guardians of the trees. They want to kill me. They want to rip out my esophagus and turn me into a tree person. I'm not an outdoor person, man. You can't make me, and you never will. Why can't I pick up any of these spawners? Well, I don't really know. I don't even need a leaf monster spawner. People, welcome to my empire. My empire of poison swords. Oh, baby. Oh, poison sword. I'm gonna give one to my girlfriend. Where is she? Oh, girlfriend. Where are you? I don't know what I'm gonna call you. But I know the people in the comment section are gonna call her. Dude. Wait. Oh. Guys. It's the return of the poison sword. It is back. Wait, this does 10, this does... Sorry, Emerald Sword. But it has returned. Oh, my poison sword. It has come back for me. Oh, I knew I couldn't. I knew you guys wouldn't leave me. This is a good day for mankind. Hi-ya! Oh, my heart. My heart is filled with joy. And what on earth are they? What? These are rubber ducks. Wow. Dude. What? Rubber ducks? Ooh, I gotta take one of these spawners, guys. Because I think I can, like, rebuild spawners for, like, a mob farm. I definitely want to have a rubber ducky farm. Like, that is, like, top of the... That's, like, not even questionable. I need to have my rubber ducky farm. I can't... Stay still, me. Rubber duckies, I found some rubber ducks. God, you know... I'm gonna nerd pull up here. There we go. Get my rubber ducky spawner. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, swim. Yeah. Yeah, rubber duck spawner. Woo. Oh, come on. You're seriously doing this right now? Well, can I open up the chest? No, I gotta take both of them. Fine. Fine, you're making me do that game, huh? Making me do this game? Fine. I'll play your game. Okay, gotta mine you. Then open up you. What the? Peacock feathers, fire ash, rubber duck spawn eggs, sparkfish, dead stink bugs, rockfish, grayfish, feathers, firefish. Can I eat these? What is... Oh, they're magical fish. These guys are magical. That is cool. And I'm going to take out my crafting table again because I have more leather to take up. That takes up more space, so I'm going to make more armor. And plus, there's a red ant down there, and he terrifies me. There we go. Got some boots. I probably should have made a helmet. Okay. I really don't need these wading boots, though. Like, what even is a wading boot? And what can I make out of you? What? I can make peacock armor? Wait. Can I make sword? What? Crystal plank. An indragakti arrow. Okay, well, I don't care about those arrows. All I know is that I can make freaking peacock armor. This is the greatest day of my life. Wait. Now I'm gonna make some pants. I need pants. Peacock pants. Look at this. Bam. Peacock pants. Oh my god, this is hilarious. So, I'm wearing sunglasses, a red shirt, brown boots, and rainbow pants. This is the greatest day ever. No, I fell. Sparkfish. What does a sparkfish do? I'm gonna eat it. Can I eat it? What did it give me? No. What? Ah, red ant. Oh god. You know what? You know what? For the return of my poison sword, give it a name, guys. Name my poison sword. So comment down your favorite animal and what the name of my sword should be. Comment it down below. And I will make this poison sword known in the history of greatest things. God, I just keep having to pick up lots of weird, random things. I don't need feathers. Okay, I got rainbow ants. I found like bamboo. But all I know is that I am experiencing lag, but not as bad as it was in the... Give me another second, guys. I'm making this video extra long for you, in case you guys didn't notice already. But this is amazing, guys. I am so happy. Because the return of the poison sword, I got so much cool things with more mods installed, and everything is that... Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even care about the 3 frames right now. There is another rubber duck spawner. And as you just saw, they have peacock feathers. I want to get the whole peacock set. Because I want to be O peacock. I want to be an O peacock. It sounds really weird. But it's true. I want to be that O peacock. And give me that emerald. Give me that emerald. Oh my god. Seriously? Liver root. I don't need liver root. What even is liver? Oh god. They just ran out at me. Do you guys have a blacksmith I can go to? Guys? You guys got a blacksmith? Could really use a blacksmith. No, but you guys have torches and food. I'll definitely be needing that later. You got some hearts. What? Potion. I don't need that much cobblestone. Oh, a green potion gives me back hunger. That's gonna be really useful. Like, you have no idea how useful that could be. I'm gonna take out my cobblestone. I'm gonna nerd pole powers up to the roof. Break this vase. Give me that other emerald. Then I'm gonna break these spawners. Can I pick them back up? Can I pick up the rubber duck spawners? No. But here we go. More peacock feathers. This is amazing. Sunfish. More rubber duck spawns. Woodfish. What can I just make cooked fish out of all of you? Wow. That's amazing. Well, anyways, I left my crafting table back over there. Wait a minute, I saw a library. I saw a library back there. So, what I can do, and I'll pick up these hearts. Scoop. They only give me half a heart. Dude, this is a democracy. I demand a refund. Okay, is this the library? Nope. Oh, is this a meeting? Group meeting, guys. I'll put my pickaxe away. Can I sit up? Can I sit? No? Okay. Is the meeting over? I guess. Kill. Oh my god! Oh, they're everywhere. Where is their spawn nest? Where are their nests? I can't seem to find any freaking nests. And I think this is the library right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the library. Oh god, you don't do that to me, girl. It's so dark. Yeah, this is the library, and there's a crafting table. Let's see, what do I need? I need a helmet. Okay, peacock helmet. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Whoa, 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 termite. They're going in through the walls. I still have 10 more. I'm gonna make some boots. Yeah, I'm gonna make some special boots. Some peacock boots. Throw these eggs out. Dude, these guys are everywhere. They are seriously messing me. Feather falling boots. Get out of my way, termites. Whoa, 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 whoa. They're coming in through the windows. This place is being overrun by termites. Escape. Get out of here. Run. Hide. This is... Oh, my God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, my. There's like 50 million termites here. And I forgot I have feather falling now. Ah! Oh, my God. This is terrifying. Huh. Huh. Come on, babe. Huh. Hup. Hup. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What was that? I gotta take a moment to just think. What did I just experience right now? Oh god, you are really hurt. Here, have some raw venison. Dude. Oh my god, they are everywhere. I can't grab torches or food or nothing. You know what? I'm ditching the sparkfish. They don't give me any special buffs. Okay, go. Oh my god, they are everywhere. We must fight. And I think you guys only have like 2 health, so... Oh god, no. I just want to borrow some torches. I just want some torches. Just let me borrow some torches. I'm gonna die by termites. Dude, you guys got a serious infestation problem. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to help you. You guys are on your own. Like, you guys are seriously on your own. I am not gonna help you out with that at all. That was just terrifying. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Well, that village, we can't live by the village. So, yeah, the village is out of the question. So, guys, are you for real with this? Is that another, I think that's another rubber duck spawner. Oh my god, I will make the full peacock outfit. This is one of the greatest days of my life. Making a peacock outfit. And I'm pretty sure my girlfriend's dying back there. You okay, girl? I still don't have a name for you, but hopefully my loyal fans who are loyal to the very end will think of one. Give me those duck spawn eggs. I need those firefish. What do these sunfish do? Do they just like turn into day? Oh, they just give me fire resistance. Everything gives me fire resistance nowadays. Oh, but sunfish give it for 5 minutes. These guys give it for like 1. Bluefish. What can I do with you? Dead stink bug. they make the poison sword. As in, my greatest friend ever. These guys make it when combined with my emerald sword. Wow. I'm amazed. Well, that, I have to ignore that for now because I need to make the peacock shirt so I can be free. I can be free, guys. I will be free. The peacock feather chest plate. Ba 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 da ba ba da. Na na na. Oh yeah, dog. I am a peacock. But anyway, that wraps up this video. Well, this episode of Minecraft Modded, episode 6 on 1.7.10, and I can basically fly now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I'll see all my swag dog people in the... Actually, let me try a new outro. And I'll see all my swag dog people in the next video. Stay swag, boys. That was actually pretty good. I like that. Yeah, stay swag. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Moonwalk in. A moonwalk in. Moonwalk in. Wait, the video's still on. The video's still on. Ah!